Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
Hi Power Mates, welcome back to the channel. Last month, July 2024, brings some fantastic new features and enhancement in the Fabric space. Let's dive right into it.
Yeah, right on, Alex. First, let's talk about data flows Gen 2 enhancements. Microsoft has introduced some powerful updates to Dataflow Gen 2, including improved performance and new connectors. These enhancements make it easier and faster to move your data from various sources into Microsoft Fabric. This means less waiting and more doing. Next, we have Lakehouse schemas. These features allows you to group and manage your tables in logical namespaces. With Lakehouse schemas, you can organize your tables into categories such as business domains, projects, or teams. You can reference multiple tables at once using schema shortcuts instead of shortcutting each table individually.
And as you know, security is always a top priority. So Microsoft Fabric is stepping up in this game with advanced security features. This update includes new capability for data encryption and enhanced role-based access control and improved compliance too. It's all about keeping your data safe and secure.
Now, let's talk about another workload, about the improvements in Power BI. The July update brings enhanced visualizations, new data connectors, and better performance. One of the highlights is Data Query for Dataverse, which allows real time data access, ensuring you always have the latest insights at your fingertips. And lastly, let's not forget about the user experience enhancement. The July update brings a more intuitive interface, streamlined workflows, and better accessibility features. Microsoft Fabric is becoming easier to use and more accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise.
Yeah, PowerMate. And these are just the highlight of the Microsoft July 2024 update. There are plenty of other minor improvement and bug fixes that make the platform even more robust. So if you want to read the full update, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for tuning in, PowerMates. That is going to be all for today. We hope you found this overview helpful. Stay tuned for more in depth insights, tutorials, and exciting news right here on our channel.
As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah,